Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in the Spring Lantern collaboration for 2020 being hosted by the beautiful and fabulous, and I can say that because she's my dream team sister, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. What Kenya wanted us to do, she wanted us to either decorate a lantern or share how we decorate with a lantern for spring. As you can see, I have this lantern here. It's a very different looking lantern. That's what I love. It's very unique. And I picked this lantern up from at home stores. And I'm placing it on just to see how I feel about it on the bottom level of this mirrored console. I thought about painting it, spray painting it. I'm still on the fence about it, but we'll see. But right now I'm gonna leave it as is with the color black. So I'm filling that. I went and ran and picked up a cylinder that I had already, but you can find them at Dollar Tree. And I placed a battery operated candle in that cylinder. I'm gonna keep this arrangement very simple. Then I ran and got one of my favorite flowers, the peonies flowers. This is a flower floral that I picked up from Amazon. And I'm just placing the entire bunch of florals to the side of the candle. Now I can leave it like this, but you all know me. I have to be a little extra. And I'm going to bring in another color, and it's the pink. I love pink this time of year for spring. So I'm adding a few roses that I've had already, but you can find them at Dollar Tree. And I'm tucking them in, placing them in throughout this bunch of peonies flowers. And I'm loving the look, and I'm going to keep it this simple. I'm not doing anything else to this arrangement. I think it looks good as is. So are you ready for the reveal? I'm going to share with you the whole entire styling of this console with this lantern. Now guys, the reason why I picked this lantern up is because it is shaped in the shape of a home. Alright, that's why I picked this lantern up. So guys, it dawned on me, blessed home, blessed home, blessed home. That's the name of the channel. Blessed home. The lantern is in the shape of a home or a house, which signifies my channel. I thought that was super cute. So the top of this console, this is a lamp I always have on this console. I've had this lamp for maybe 5 years and I'm not tired of it yet. It is just beautiful to me. And then I placed an orchid here, one of my favorite flowers, the orchid. And then I placed the bowl filled with pink glittered eggs or Glam eggs. I think they're lovely. I've had those for many, many years now. And then to pick up the black from the lantern, I added my Elements of Style book, along with our very own Nikki Boyd with her book, beautifully organized. And that's it on this console. It's keeping it very clean and not cluttered, and I'm loving it. So I would like to thank Kenya for hosting this seasonal collab. Please go over to Kenya's channel, show her some love, tell her that Kimberly sent you. I will have her channel linked in the description box down below as well. Once it's available, the playlist. I cannot wait to sit back, kick my feet up, and see what everyone else came up with for this collab. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites and shop my Amazon store. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed and beautiful day.